So I was in an Uber and the Uber driver looks at me and says, you know, people these days don't know how to cook. You know, you look like one of those girls. I took offense. I took personal offense, okay? And I was just about to order sushi as he was saying that, so I took personal offense. But I decided I'm gonna try and make sushi instead. Also because the cost of living is going up to the roof to the salon. Because I don't know how to make sushi, we're going to ask ChatGPT. Okay, so it's given me 2 recipes, one veg and one with tuna, so we're gonna try and make both. Okay, so this is everything you're going to need to make the sushi. We're gonna try and make a vegetarian and a tuna sushi. So 1 eggplant, 1 zucchini, one of these roti thingies for the sushi. Did a little bit of wee shopping. Nori, super important. This was 250 shillings. Light meat tuna. And then sweet potato. I got some sweet potato that I've already boiled. Salt, pepper, pasta seasoning, because this just has a mixture of everything. It has garlic powder, it has onion powder, everything you need. Paprika and cayenne, corn flour, some all-purpose flour, ice. Boil some sweet potato. Done. So this is going to be like a sushi alternative without rice because I couldn't find the rice, so that's why we're using sweet potato instead. Let's see how it turns out. But anyway, it's going to be a vegetarian tempura sushi.
What's happening in this country? Are the butchers on strike?
And the other one is just a tuna sushi, but let's do it. I'm excited. And also this recipe is recommended by ChatGPT, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we try. We're gonna start with making the tempura. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of the corn flour, the ice water. Mix her up. Okay, so I followed all the ChatGPT steps, but this feels very smooth. It said you'd have like a thick batter, but this is quite watery, so I don't know. Do we just go as is? Okay, the tempura mix is complete, and in a bowl we can blend our sweet potato. And I think this consistency should be okay. The Uber driver was right about not being able to cook because I'm struggling so far. Nothing is going as it should be. Holding a pan, I feel like Rapunzel. Let's just put them in and see. So I think in order to make it more tempura, I'm gonna put whatever I've cooked back into the fire and then just like refried again. Okay, the Uber driver was right. I should have just placed an order, but I think I made something that, I almost dropped this, somewhat resembles tempura, okay? It's not that bad. I'm so afraid to taste it. I'm just gonna give myself food poisoning.
Forget it. I don't want to eat poison.
It looks edible-ish. Okay, let's get down to the fun part. Mashed sweet potato. Oh, that didn't, wait, I have to, oh, that was beautiful. Cream foam. Smooth side down, but then which way do you roll it? Oh no, because it has some lines on it, okay? Maybe this way. I think this might work, okay? But it's going to be very heavy sushi, but, well. So I'm just going to flatten that on, because they said 130 grams per sheet. I don't know how much that is. I should have measured this, but it's alright. And then it said leaving some space on the top and the bottom. Oh, I love the smell of the nori. Okay, place the sushi ingredients such as seafood, vegetable in the center. Oh, okay, so you only place it in the center. I was gonna lay it up all the way, so just in the center, just to give it some sort of flavor. So a little bit of onion, some black pepper. Oh, an avocado. That is a beautiful avocado. A few slices into this and then save the other half for the other roll. Now for the most difficult part. I've even rolled up my sleeves with this one. Oh, I think I made it too thick. But we can just try maybe with a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely too thick. I can't even roll it. Okay, now I understand why sushi is always so thin, because it's so difficult to roll. Okay, maybe I should start from the other side. Okay, I'll start from the other side. I'll start this way. One of these guys here. there, and then press. I don't think I did it right, but, or maybe I did, I don't know. Okay, and then this is going to be such a thick roll. I'm gonna have to get rid of something. I have to get rid of some things. Okay, I was gonna be like, I'm gonna make a generous roll. I'll just eat this. Even the avocado slices are too thick. Oh, ugh. I mean, I rolled something. Something's happened. I don't think it's perfect, but you know, I've done something. Ooh. Okay, that is. That does not look nice. That does not look nice. But I tried. Okay, that was my first try. I think for the first try, it's not too bad. Maybe I'll just take off the extra food that's on the ends. Okay, and then I'm gonna just pour out all the liquid from. I know you should use fresh tuna for this, but I don't have fresh tuna, so we use what we can. And we're doing budget-friendly sushi, so I think this is okay. Okay, now I understand the price of sushi because it's difficult to make. Now for the filling, get some of that, and then set just in the middle. This time I'm gonna try and put very little filling, just in the middle. But because this is very tuna based, I don't know how sweet potato and tuna is gonna taste. Like thin slices. Ooh. We could add just one slice of that. Okay. Now, second attempt to roll. I think this one's gonna be easier to roll because it's thinner. So we go over. And then press. Oh, why that's squishy. I'm trying to get this perfectly round. This looks like it might have performed better in the rolling. Oh, actually, I don't know. Okay, these are the two rolls. Now let's cut them. It's not too bad. So this is what we have. This is what it's looking like. If you don't hear from me, well, I did this to myself. Veggie roll first.
This is the worst.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. I'm just gonna add in some chili, and I need to try this again. Tuna. I was gonna conclude the video and be like, yeah, I guess the Uber driver was right, but I just topped it off with some more onions and some avocado and some more soy sauce, and it's not bad. It's not bad. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself with my underpriced sushi. Bye.